Hello everyone. In today's session we are going to see how we can create a data entry or a flat database in Excel, which we can capture the data using a form. So with me, I'm going to launch the Excel. So I'm just going to go to the search to the start button here. I can click on all apps, and then maybe I can scroll down the search the left pane here, and you can see my Excel is here. If I cannot locate here, I can just search through the container here. So I can just click on it there. I have that, and then I can use the blank data sheet there. That is the data sheet. The first thing that I need to do is to build the different fields that I need to have in this database. So maybe the first one I can have the surname here there. Maybe I have the surname, maybe surname, maybe I have the first name, and maybe I can have something else we call the gender, and maybe I can have the other one is the date of birth. I can have date of birth there, and then another thing that I can have, maybe I can have the admission number. Maybe I can have the admission maybe number, and then I can have the ID number. Maybe I can have the ID number that way. So we need to have this data entered in data form so that we can see how it reflects. So the first thing that I need to make sure is that I ensure that this field maybe are allowed to capture all the data. Then from here I can highlight all of them. I just highlight all of them there, that way. That is all what I did. And then I can go here to the insert, and then I click on the table, and here I ensure that I have maybe once the table pop up this, I ensure that I have ensured that I have selected this my table as the header, and then I can click OK. So there I have that. So there I have that, and then remember now this I need to have this. So what I need to go, I can come here to my ribbon here, maybe right click it, and then I can customize the ribbon this way. And then the first thing that I need to do, maybe I can insert the new tab here, and then this new tab here, so I can insert the new tab here, and this new tab here, let me rename it, and then I can call it Morris, maybe Morris, that way. And then I can click OK. So there I have. Maybe I can select this new group customs, and then I can come here on the left part here and click on the commands note on the ribbon, that way, and then I can search through the alphabet, and I go all the way to F. Let me see if there is a form, and here there is a form here. I can click on it and add it, and then I can ensure that it is found within this grouping, and then I can click OK, and then I can click OK. So here now you can see I have Morris there with the form under it. So what I need to do is to come here, and then I can highlight all these again up to there, and then I can click on this form that way. And now you can see I can be able to capture these data in this form, and you can see the sheet bears the name of the sheet one that I have here. So I can just come here, let me start capturing. Maybe I have the first one is Munene here, Munene. Maybe my first name is Morris, Morris. Maybe my gender is male, and maybe my date of birth is maybe I can have 1901, and then my admission is maybe 450, and then my ID is 0000, and then I can say click on new, and there you can see I have the data added, and I can go to the second one. The second one, maybe I can have maybe the first name I can start with Kenya, and then first name maybe is Peter, and then gender maybe male, and then date of birth maybe 1902, and then admission maybe is and then ID number is maybe 44444, and then I can click on new. So you can see I have the second person there on my data instead of capturing that. And then maybe the other one that I can capture here, maybe I can have Karani, Rally. Then the first name I can have Ryan, and then I can have gender male, and then I can have date of birth maybe 2017, and maybe admission is 45, and maybe ID 00, and then I can new. So you can see I have that. Then I can have the other one, maybe I can have Kome, and then I can have the first name is Remy, and then here I can have gender male, and then I can have date of birth maybe 20, and maybe I can have the admission which is 122, and then I can have it being also 0, and then I can click on new again, and then maybe the last one I can have one female. I can have maybe Sarah, and then I can have first name Emma, and then I can have here female, female, and here I can have this one date of birth maybe 1903, 1910, and then I can have the admission as maybe 489, and then I can have 7452, and then I can click on the new. So that is how we can simply do that, record our information in form of that. So that is how we can do. We can record the information in form of our database. And that brings us to the end of this session. I was your trainer, Morris Munene. If you found this video of importance to you, please consider subscribing, like, and share it so that it can reach more to have the same knowledge, and also increase this our family of running IT skills. Thank you very much.